Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to search for a job or shipment by bill of entry number using quick search option in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to quick search option at the top of the page. Here we have to choose the type as bill of entry number. Enter the bill of entry number in the value column. After filling the details, click on search button. Now the search results related to the bill of entry number will be displayed on the screen. If we click on job or shipment number, then we can directly navigate to the respective job or shipment page. There you can find all the details regarding your job or shipment. Hope now you got an idea on how to search for a job or shipment by bill of entry number using quick search option in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.